Hello guys, I'm Teacher Ho. Today I will teach you how to vacuum the carpet. First, we must prepare the material needed.
These are the materials needed: vacuum, dirty carpet, power socket. Steps in cleaning a carpet using a vacuum cleaner. Get the vacuum cleaner. Bring it and put it beside the carpet. Pull the electric cord. Plug it into the socket and switch the power on. Press the power button of the vacuum cleaner to turn it on. Hold the vacuum handle like this and position the floor nozzle on the carpet. Move the floor nozzle in a back and forth motion. Until all the areas of the carpet are being vacuumed. Once the carpet is clean, we can now switch the power off. Press the power button of the vacuum cleaner to turn it off. Remove the electric cord from the power socket. Press the cord rewind button to pull the electric cord. Now, we can put back the vacuum cleaner. Don't forget that we must wash hands after using the vacuum cleaner.
That's it. Thank you. Bye.